When you first go to Briar page for United Way, you will first land on this page, which has a welcome letter from the president, and then click on the donate button up here on the top right. You have a number of options here. Notice there's a $50 minimum for at-home billing. If you don't want to give, just click on this and click on next. Most people choose payroll deduction. If you choose cash or check, go ahead and complete this and turn in your cash or check to Joe or Bo or Tom. So we're going to go through a payroll deduction example since that's what most people select. Click on next, and you will get this screen which gives you an amount for deduction per pay period. So let's say that we're going to put in $25 per pay period. Then you tell how many pay periods you have, and it'll calculate your total. If you want to designate your gift, you can click on this. It will take you to a page that has options for donating. You've got every agency that United Way contributes to. Here, there is a minimum of $50 per agency. When you're done with that, just click on next. And I didn't fill anything out here, so I'm going to go back to the previous screen. And I'm going to turn that off this time. We're going to go to next. And it will give you a choice of whether you want to remain anonymous, whether you want a confirmation. I'd recommend that you ask for a confirmation, and you can fill out the rest of this information if you want to. When you get done, go down to the bottom and click on next. It will give you a summary. These have been answered previously, so you'd have to go back to change those. Click on confirm. It will tell you what your deduction is, and you sign off and you're done.